do a floater on top with the grenadine. So we're gonna make some drinks here today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get alerts on updated videos. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna make a Tequila Sunrise for the lovely Navia. You're gonna do some Blanco Tequila. You're gonna fill with ice. There's ice bucket, never mind. Then your orange juice. I'll top that a little bit off with ice again, just so it's a full drink. And then you're gonna do a floater on top with the grenadine. And it gives it that Tequila Sunrise effect. Garnish it with an orange slice and a cherry. Voila. You're welcome.
Tequila Sunrise.